Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, exercise 1C, question number 4 is solve the equation 5 over x minus 3 plus 2 over x plus 1 equals to 1. Give your answer correct to three significant figures. So now we have the fraction. First of all, we will simplify the fraction into the simple quadratic equation. Then we will further simplify. So here it's a 5 over x minus 3 plus 2 over x plus 1 equals to 1. The first thing is, if we have the positive and negative sign between the two fractions, so we have to find the common denominator. So here we will find the common denominator. Now, what is the common denominator? The both denominators we will write here x minus 3 and then x plus 1. It means that we have to make this at the bottom for each fraction. So now, for this 5 over x minus 3 we will keep same, but we need x plus 1. It means that we will multiply here with x plus 1 and same we will divide at the bottom x plus 1 to make the denominator, and here 2 over x plus 1 we will keep same, but now we need the x minus 3. Our denominator is x minus 3 also. So it means I will multiply and divide with x minus 3 only on the left side of equal equals to 1. So after that, here I will make, if the denominators are same, so remember it, we have to take the LCM. So LCM means if denominators are same, we just have to write once and we need to bring down the numerators together. So x plus 1 into x minus 3 we will write once, and here it would be 5x plus 5. After expanding the bracket, we will write both the denominators together. It's a 2x minus 6. 2 times 3 is 6, which is equals to 1. So now the next we will simplify the like terms together. 5x and 2x both are like terms. 5 and 6 both are constant, so these are the like terms. So 5x plus 2x it will be 7x. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. Then the denominator we will shift on the other side, so it will multiply with the 1. So x minus 3 into x plus 1. Now we will expand the brackets there. Multiply by 1 will give us the same value. So we will expand on only these two. For the expansion, we have to multiply the first value with the first, then first value with the second. Same as it is, the second value with the first and second value with the second. We will multiply. X times x, it would be x squared, plus x times 1 is 1x. So don't need to mention 1 if coefficient is 1. So we will write x means 1x, then minus 3x and minus 3. Now we will shift these two values on the other side of equal. So it would be x squared plus x minus 3x. So it would be plus minus minus, and it would be minus 2x. Minus 3 minus 7x and plus 1. When we will shift on the other side, the sign will change. There is no sign, it has a positive. It will change into negative, negative into positive. Then x square we will keep same, minus 2x minus 7x. It would be minus 9x. Then minus 3 plus 1, which is equals to minus 2 equals to 0. Now we got a quadratic equation, because the general form of quadratic, which is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We got the same. So we will use here the quadratic formula to simplify. So quadratic formula, which is x equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So what is the a? A is the coefficient of x squared. There is no coefficient, it would be 1. B is the coefficient of x, which is minus 1. C is the constant value, which is minus 2. So let's substitute here. First, a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 9, c is equals to minus 2. Because here we can see a is x square, coefficient of x square, b represent coefficient of x, c represent the constant value. So now by substituting in the formula, it would be minus and minus 9, then plus minus, it would be minus 9 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is minus 2, then divided by 2 into 1. After that, we will write here x equals to minus minus plus 9, and then plus minus root 9 square would be the 81, minus minus plus 4 times 2 is 8 divided by 2. So after that, we will simplify here. X is equals to 9 plus minus 81 plus 8, it would be 89 divided by 2. Now we have the two values. So first of all, we will write with plus and then we will write with minus. So here, positive case. For positive, we will write x is equals to 9 plus root 89 divided by 2. By using calculator, we will solve. So the top value on the calculator, x is equals to 9 root 89 plus 9, which is 18.433, and divided by 2. It's equals to 9 point 9.22. The first answer we got. So we will solve here negative case. For this, we will write root negative root 89. So x is equals to 9 minus root 89 over 2. So x would be equals to negative 0.433 over 2. So x is equals to negative 0.217, the second value we got. So the final answer we can write x is equals to minus the solution of this 217 and 9.22.